Hey people, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a PlayStation Network account on your new PlayStation 5. So here we already have an account made up, and this is my main account. However, if you want to add another account, you want to click the PlayStation button on your PlayStation controller, and then come along to your profile here, and click it, and this will bring up this little menu here, and then come down to switch user, or you can get to the same page from your PlayStation 5 main menu. You do this by coming up to the top here and coming over to your profile, and this will bring up the same menu as we just brought up. So as on the last one, you want to come down to switch user, and then you'll be greeted with these options. Then you want to toggle here to add user, and then you'll have two options to choose from. So you can select this get started here, or you can have a one-time guest. So we'll sign up to a main PlayStation here, and then you read the terms and conditions, agree it, and then confirm it. I won't run through the whole process, but it's simple, step by step, and that is how to create a new PlayStation Network account on your PlayStation 5. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.